International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking observed across the state. CPI Manipur leader Dr. Nara accuses state government of bungling multi-crore National Food Security Act. And MLA Joy Kisan joins ILP protest at Khoyathong, accuses the state government of trying to suppress the ILP movement. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laktangma Monica, bringing you the top stories. International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking was observed across the state today by various organizations to raise awareness among the people to achieve the goal of an international society free of drug abuse. Social Welfare Department, Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol (CADA) and Federation of Indian NGO Drug Abuse Prevention observed the day at GM Hall. Speaking at the function, Social Welfare and Cooperation Minister A.K. Mirabai emphasized the role of Health Department in preventing drug abuse and its consequences in the state. She said even though the Social Welfare Department is the nodal department, other departments also need to focus on the problem. The minister said the Social Welfare Department will take the major role in framing a drug abuse policy, and a meeting will be held with the representatives of NGOs and civil society organizations to discuss formulation of drug abuse policy.
July thagi hawrpada first session phamnabase akoi hawdojeba department na akoi leiba akoi na guide tawe hada akoi na akoi ni leiba notification ama tawe hada mase leiba manipur leiba drug ka mari leina ba NGO sing maduda invite phanakba matamda saru yabiu loina na civil society kuding matsu saru yabiu matamduda kariguma something akoi kariguma khradi thorko yadane ba Macam aku tulis pada cemik, sangat macam je, aku drug program tahu ni cahaya lah macam dah observe tahu sini di nothing ni.
Deputy Commissioner Imphal East Mongcham Joy said a collective effort is needed to fight the drug abuse and menace of other intoxicating substances facing the state. Saying that Manipur needs a policy program over the issue, M. Joy appealed to legislators to play a major role to curb the problem. He was addressing the observance of International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking organized by District Legal Services Authority Imphal East and Narcotics Cell Imphal East. The function was held at Superintendent Police Imphal East office campus. Joy further said drug abuse is not a crime, but it is a disease which can be cured and curbed with the help of collective effort from each and every person living in the society. He appealed to NGOs, civil society organizations, stakeholders and legislators to make a policy program.
Policy collective department society is the society work from top to bottom. Koi punamagna hona minawam sani tharong masi pangthokpa khaktana koi pandam masi phangba ngamoi tongan ba koi NGO sim aduga koi societies level ba tung khudimona koi punamagna amato hona miraga koi punamag iminero ki lambi asida control to basisani aduga prevent to basisani anu punamag sinasi yaga legislators singna asoba thodang lahon.
Imphal East SP Angam Kamei said the issue of drug abuse and trafficking should be seen as two problems. It is time to control the issue and rehabilitate the victims so that they can lead a normal life. Stressing that there is a need to create awareness, Angam Kamei said the government and security agency should take a major role in it. The function was attended by Imphal East District Legal Services Authority Secretary A. Nautuneshwari, Special Court ND NPS Judge Thokchom Simon, police personnel, representatives of NGOs, CSOs, Mairapaibis of various localities, among others. SASO General Secretary R.K. Tikin spoke on the theme, Support, Don't Punish.
A place for observing such an important day to certain places where various speakers have mentioned earlier, where the security agencies are finding difficulties in penetrating, where security agencies are finding difficulties in controlling. It is a way of approaching, it is a way of penetrating into that places and create awareness. It is also important that we have to follow up what the government or what the other agencies are doing.
Manipur Central Jail, Sajiwa and Nirvana Foundation Babupara jointly observed the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking today on the jail premises. Superintendent of Police Jail W. Phanitphang, Additional SP A. Kunjakishore, DSP L. Ziban, President of Nirvana Foundation L. Jonita, Secretary S. Sovana, staff and inmates of Sajiwa Jail and members of Nirvana Foundation attended the event. Those who spoke on the occasion maintained that mostly persons between 18 to 35 years abuse drugs. SPW Phanitphang said a lot of inmates who were discharged from the jail after rehabilitation come back to the jail after 1 or 2 months due to relapse. Those inmates often blamed their company for reusing the drugs. SP Phanitphang reiterated that petty crimes are committed by drug abusers in the society to fulfill their addiction to drugs, and anyone and everyone must contribute in stopping the drug menace today. SP specially appealed to inmates to take the lead role in fighting against drug abuse and illicit trafficking once they are out of the jail.
I ichadi, I iwadi, I yamadi, I naupadi jail, like Karino, drug yolure. O pare do quarter putho matamda, Masi, Jume Masi drug yon mini, Jume Masi drug mini hina. Once Madu Sakile in the Masi proof toraba, Nangadom Madugi punishment to Pangaga, jail that Sahitara plus Lagama fine dom later.
The day was also observed by Manipur Central Jail, Imphal. Guest speaker from MNP Plus spoke on the harmful effects of drug abuse in the society at a function. Jail inmates and staff of the jail along with SPTH Subhash Chandra took part in the event. The day was also observed by Manipur University Students' Union at Dr. Kamal Indoor Stadium on Manipur University campus. Taking part at the observance, Genim's director Devin Lystrom said many youths are misusing various drugs meant for patients for recreation, affecting the society adversely in every aspect. And it is now time that all stand up against the threat of drug abusers. Musu President Jingsubam Manglemton stressed the need of self-realization as the only means to fight the menace. A cycle rally carrying the message of impact of drug abuse in the society was also taken out as part of the observance. 6 Assam Rifles All Manipur Muslim Organization Coordinating Committee and Muslim Students Union of Manipur jointly observed the International Day at the 6 AR post. Speakers at the event urged the youth and students to avoid drugs. Major Lystrom Tony flagged off a rally at the gate of the battalion. The participation of students and youth covered Lilong Bazar, Lilong Uku, Lilong Dam and Usoi Pokpi. General Secretary of Communist Party of India Manipur State Council Dr. M. Nara has accused the state government of bungling the multi-crore National Food Security Act. The former minister said the CPI will hold public meetings from July 7 onwards to discuss the non-issue of ration cards and food grains to the genuine public beneficiaries under the Act in Manipur. Speaking to media persons at the CPI office, Dr. Nara maintained that the state government has made a joke out of the multi-crore project. He said ministers, MLAs and the agents are exploiting the food people by not providing the food grains entitled to them under the Act. He said the CPI will launch campaigns to resolve this issue. Dr. Nara also further stated that the Congress and BJP should stop blaming each other over the sports university and should not politicize the issue. He also urged them to start the construction of the university sooner as directed by the Sports Ministry. He further added that if the situation in our state remains the same, then there is very less scope of our future. He also appealed to the people to bring in a new party in power besides BJP and Congress for a corruption-free, peaceful and prosperous Manipur.
Manipur ki hujik leiriba rajaniti ki saktam asi yam lusilakpa pot amakhak oina uzai. Manipur the sports university wafam lagtana BJP amsung Congress hunabai poroin tawi masi tawhanning Manipuri university am leibam thue mayam khangada laut fu abane. Food security ek asi lakna bhona bada andalon ja chaicha na bona graba pot amane. Ngasi di bill loina puthore ek ole. Laida balongi kara praja kaya hingna na bagi lampi amani. Sige ahong ba port sing si phangna na bhona bada phangbam thoko mi kayam phangdre.
13 Langtawal Jila Parishad member Sagolsem Ronil has alleged that the beneficiaries in all the constituencies are facing inconveniences as the MLAs are involved in the distribution of ration cards under the National Food Security Act. Speaking to media persons at Maibam Lekai Gram Panchayat at Maibam Lekai Bokul Makhong, Ronil said DSO, CAF and PD Imphal West R.K. Binoy told him that the cards for the beneficiaries of Langtawal Assembly constituencies were collected by Langtawal MLA. And the MLA told him that cards were issued for the list of beneficiaries submitted by him. Ronil also said when checked online, the list included the names of the beneficiaries submitted through him, the Pradhan of Maibam Lekai Gram Panchayat and other ward members. He questioned how could the MLA said that the list contains the names submitted by him when they are present already in the list available online. He threatened to legal help against the persons close to the MLA for collecting 100 rupees each from the beneficiaries with the promise to issue them ration cards.
MLA asina nakoina thajaliba form sing adu mahaki so yaudradagi beneficiary ama oiba yaroi haiba mahakna phongdokpasu lei MLA gi leiribe mioi sing asina card sing asi loinamak paisalakada magi oiba mioi kharada card sing asi hojik loina yenthokle member gaida pradhan gaida jila parishad gaida thajan khiba thangde amata yaude nakhoi yauningba leiragadi photo ga lupa chamaga piraklagadi nakhoi yahongani haiduna makhoigi mioi sing asina koisa chalakanda mafam sijida lana sandokpa khara yaure makhoigi mafam asida koisa chatuna prajada lana sandokliba makhoigi mathakta aingi oiba makhoigi mathakta lokhatpa yaba action lokhatkani.
Former PDS agents of Patsoi Assembly constituency have alleged that the selection of agents under the National Food Security Act is done in an undemocratic manner by members of Patsoi Block Congress Committee. Former 17 agents have tendered their resignation from Patsoi Block Congress Committee in protest against the selection of relatives or other near ones as agents under the Act. Co-convener of JAC against the newly selected Fair Price Soap agents, Thongam Arun, today told the media at Manipur Press Club that they opposed the selection of persons close to Patsoi Block Congress Committee. He said the persons who applied for the same are yet to be returned the 5,000 rupees deposit and the beneficiaries in the constituency are not issued ration cards.
Edok BPL additional APL card na singba singi sing pikidaba PDS ki item thasuna pikidaba bu yaningde sumba pamba parjana RTI amadi ain gi oiba mateng lawga ticket piu vote card ngaida pasoi gi parja loiner magi mo vote ka khraba matungda yamna dictatorship oibagi mongda administration chathrapa asigumba undemocratic oiba mongsing sidagi akoi pasoi gi honorable MLA AK Mirabai Devi dagi jenoiba toknabagi apunbagi waripsi lawjabani.
The State Executive Committee of BJP Manipur Pradesh for the year 2015-18 has been constituted. BJP Manipur President KSH Bhavananda issued an order on June 23 in this connection. A 6-member core committee of the party has also been constituted. KSH Bhavananda, Thongnaujam Chauba, MLA TH Bishwajit, MLA KH Joy Kisan, State General Secretary Organization SH Premananda Sharma and SH Santikumar Sharma are the members. Another list of members of State Executive Committee is likely to be released very soon. Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates.
Kuirabagi tungda punbasi nungai.
Sumi. Madi kari tore.
Maag is a double strength ning pumali.
Mangonda piu double strength. Liver tonic.
Lipsap DS.
Lipsap DS double strand liver tonic.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Protesters today staged a sit-in at Koyathong traffic point demanding inner line permit system in Manipur and withdrawal of wanted tech on former JCILPS convener Khomdram Ratan. The protest was organized by Thangmaiban Kendra Development Organization Takdo, Thangmaiban MLA and Takdo Chief Patron Khumukcham Joy Kisan, Corporator of Ward No. 2 TH Purnachandra, Corporator of Ward No. 3 Hijam Nutan Chandra and members of Takdo took part in the demonstration. The protesters displayed placards that read, "We want democracy, we want ILPS. Don't play divide and rule, unity is strength. Remove wanted tech from Khomdram Ratan" during the sit-in. MLA KH Joy Kisan decried the declaration of Khomdram Ratan wanted without proving he has link with the underground outfit. He said the court should decide the punishment if he is found guilty. The MLA also said the silence of the government proves that the decision to declare Ratan wanted is wrong. He also maintained that the allegation against Ratan is a ploy to suppress the inner line permit system movement.
I samak public representative oina prajagi ihul khangna ai thabak tawjari tawsu tawningi Manipur lariba MLA yankai mapan punamak sisu masi honorable chief minister isa yauna masi akhoi gi hak ta khongaung na business khangjin bi democracy bu khongaung na ba adu constitution gi mayok ta singara ba khodemang ai amasung takdo adugo lairiba Manipur miyam khodemang na ko hau se tangai phate Manipur government se outlaw eba government oibani ain se nadraba constitution thugai raba adugo government amani akhoi masina it is a warning to this government akhoi dharna sina aduna masida hena kanbak agitation mayam changlaga akhoi Ratan gi mathak thami wanted take ase lautong na ba khoi makal makha mayam gi khung chingjan gani.
Corporators T.H. Purnachandra and Hijam Nutan Chandra said it is wrong to declare him wanted based on a photograph uploaded on Facebook. They said the government must have followed the legal procedure before the declaration.
JCILP Shubu Natina Honabada, Pisin Manomaran, Pisin Mamma, Satari Maran, Sarkar, Tawasi, totally condemned Tawi, Masito from Tokte, Atuamatam, Sarkana, Kandar Haraga. Asubamuna Maran Pisan Ba, JCILP Shubu, Namdana Honabada, Tokdon Madu Yabangamoy,
Dratan Yimataka, Tamneva Maralase, Karumba, Tunamak, Karumakan with the Targadi, Takdonangasi, Akan Makung Sarkari Matata, Akan Makung Camps and Salaga, is it Camps and Salakane Habasi, Manipur Sarkana, Kabum, Topum Toktea.
Educational Felicitation Committee and Paidinga Development Committee today felicitated meritorious students of Port Sangam Zilla Parisat who have performed well in Class 10 and 12 examinations. Editor-in-Chief of Impact News, Yumnam Rupachandra, spoke on the role of media to promote education in the society at the event. Lamsang MLA W. Brazabidu was the chief guest of the function held at Paidanga Lairembi Mandap. Meritorious students who secured first division in the Class 10 and 12 examination conducted by BOSAM, COSAM and CBSE were felicitated at Sagolban Nepramenjor, Mamanglekai. Felicitation was also held for successful candidates of the MPSC and MBBS of the area. Sana Kotnaba Amasung Chowkhat Kongtang Lub Sakal organized the event. Altogether, 14 students were presented with gifts. Meritorious students of Nauria Pakanlapa Assembly constituency who performed well in Class 10 and 12 examinations this year were felicitated at the function today. The event was organized by clubs and Yumbi at Hyang Thang Maning Lampak Community Hall. ...135 students of Sagolban constituency who excelled in the Class 10 and 12 examinations were felicitated at a function held at Sagolban Tingom Lekai Community Hall. The felicitation was held by Sagolban Kendra Development Cum Beneficiary Committee.
Lamdam masibu masakta ubangamba adu mamiyoy amasung international standard international ki thakta prithvi ki thakta aikoi lam masibu masakta pa ngamba adugumba henna afaba mi oirangna bagi damakta aikoina nakoibu encourage tawba oina nakoibu aikoina oibani nakoibu ngasigi thoramase aikoina yamna achamba presentation khara piraga Nasi waza sing mayam alaman sing mayam na nakoi de blessing ama pi baneba.
All Manipur Women's Social Reformation and Development Samaj, popularly known as Nupi Samaj, celebrated their 40th Foundation Day at Haubamarak Samlekai Community Hall today. The attendees at the event observed 1 minute silence as a mark of respect to the departed leaders who sacrificed their lives for the state. Nupi Samaj was established on June 26, 1976.
Ujit kaya bimam jini, masih ekor na daw, suta tadi. ꯆꯥ ꯆꯥꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯥ ꯏꯁꯨꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯃꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯦꯟꯃꯥꯟꯅꯁꯤ.
Bharat Vikas Parishad, Imphal City Branch and Imphal Mahila Saka today distributed hearing aids and prosthetic legs at an event held at Dharmashala Hall, Thangal Bazar. Around 15 students of Deaf and Mute School, Takhel, were given hearing aids and 10 others differently abled persons were also given prosthetic legs at the event. Vice Chancellor of Manipur University, national leaders of the Parishad and representatives from Imphal took part in the event. Hepatitis V vaccination camp was held at Potsangbam Kunau Community Hall today. More than 500 people were vaccinated against hepatitis B at the camp. BJP Manipur Pradesh member Thokchom Romeo Singh has been organizing similar camps in many villages in Hengang for the last 1 year. "21 poetry books written by Rajamani Nongthomba were released today at Manipuri Sahitya Parishad, Meghalaya. Professor S.K. Srivastava, VC of North Eastern Hill University, was the chief guest of the event held at Old Guest House, Nehu, Silong. Munish Ningthozam spoke about the books. Sri Sri Bal Mukunda Dev's Musical College Imphal celebrated its 54th Foundation Day. Prizes were distributed to the winners of the state-level classical music competition and classical music concert 2015-16 at the event. Speaking at the event, Manipur Sahitya Parishad awardee Nongthombam Nongthong said music is a vast subject and urged the aspiring musicians to work hard so that they can compete with the artists of other states of India. Motor rally was held today at the residence of Sekmai against the negligence of the constituency by the government. The rally was organized by supporting committee Robin Khwairakpam and flag off by Khwairakpam Nonggaizao, village chief of Sekmai Makhalekai Khwairakpam Takhel Lup Lakpa. The rally passed through 30 villages in Sekmai and a few places in Imphal.
ख्वाइदगी मणिपुर लाइबक थीबसी मैतै सिंग हाइरगदी सेमाई केंद्र द लेरिबा मैतै सिंग सिन करिगिनो हाइरगा दे हैव ओनली राइट टू कास्ट द वोट अद लेपदि यादब अदुना सिगुम लबा फिबम सिदसु ngasi सेमाई केंद्र सिदा अदुके मतिक मिराई बिबसे अखोइगे जनरल कास्टिंग सिदसु हेना अदुके मतिक अखोइना उबा पंगजै अदुना मसी अखोइ अखन्नबा पैकेज नत्रगन स्पेशल हेल्प अमा अखोइ इंडिया गवर्नमेंट दा सेमाई केंद्र द लेरिबा जनरल सिंग सिगिदमक्ता अखोइ हेल्प अमा नीबा अखोइ अतु मतमदा दिल्ली दसु चचरगनी हा.
Before the rally was flag off, Robin Khwairakpam announced that an assistance of 1,000 rupees will be given to those who come forward to do the job done by the non-locals in the constituency. He handed over 1,000 rupees to Laisangbam Romain from Sekmai Awang Lekai, who has opened a barber's shop. In sports news, first K.H. Ramnarayan Sastry Memorial State Level Open Chess Tournament kicked off today at Juvenile Club, Dera Sapam Lerak. The tournament is organized by Juvenile Club under the aegis of Manipur Chess Association and sponsored by K.H. Ramnarayan Sastry Memorial Trust. 60 players, including 20 rated players, are taking part in the tournament. Pradhan of Sapam Lekai, Gram Panchayat A. Bishojit, former Dean of Manipur University A.K. Manihar, among others, attended the opening function. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking observed across the state. CPI Manipur leader Dr. Nara accuses state government of bungling multi-crore National Food Security Act. And MLA Joy Kisan joins ILP protest at Khoyathong, accuses the government of trying to suppress the ILP movement.